Nutrition is a critical part of health and development. Better nutrition is related to improved infant, child and maternal health, stronger immune systems, safer pregnancy and childbirth, lower risk of non-communicable diseases such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Healthy children learn better. People with adequate nutrition are more productive and can create opportunities to gradually break the cycles of poverty and hunger. My name is Richard, and I want to welcome you to our channel, The Daily Health and Weight Loss. We want to say thank you very much if you have been watching our videos. But if this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you won't miss important videos. Malnutrition in every form presents significant threats to human health. Today, the world faces a double burden of malnutrition that includes both undernutrition and overweight, especially in low and middle income countries. World Health Organization is providing scientific advice and decision-making tools that can help countries take action to address all forms of malnutrition to support health and well-being for all at all ages. This video explores the risk posed by all forms of malnutrition, starting from the earliest stages of development and the responses that the health system can give directly and through its influence on other sectors, particularly the food system. Definitions of health terms relating to nutrition. Nutrition is about eating a healthy and balanced diet. Food and drink provide the energy and nutrients you need to be healthy. Understanding these nutrition terms may make it easier for you to make better food choices. Amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. The body produces many amino acids and others come from food. The body absorbs amino acids through the small intestine into the blood. Then the blood carries them throughout the body. Blood glucose. Glucose, also called blood sugar, is the main sugar found in the blood and the main source of energy for your body. Calories, a unit of energy in food. Carbohydrates, fats, protein in the foods we eat provide food energy or calories. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are one of the main types of nutrients. Your digestive system changes carbohydrates into glucose. Your body uses this sugar for energy for your cells, tissues, and organs. It stores any extra sugar in your liver and muscles for when it is needed. There are two types of carbohydrates, simple and complex. Simple carbohydrates include natural and added sugars. Complex carbohydrates include whole grain bread and cereals, starchy vegetables, and legumes. Cholesterol. Cholesterol is a waxy, fat-like substance that's found in all cells of the body. Your body needs some cholesterol to make hormones, vitamin D, and substances that help you digest foods. Your body makes all the cholesterol it needs. However, cholesterol also is found in some of the foods we eat. High levels of cholesterol in the blood can increase your risk of heart disease. Dehydration. Dehydration is a condition that happens when you do not take in enough liquids to replace those that you lose. You can lose liquids through frequent urinating, sweating, diarrhea, or vomiting. When you are dehydrated, your body does not have enough fluid and electrolytes to work properly. Diet. Your diet is made up of what you eat and drink. There are many different types of diets, such as vegetarian diets, weight loss diets, and diets for people with certain health problems. Dietary supplements. A dietary supplement is a product you take to supplement your diet. It contains one or more dietary ingredients, including vitamins, minerals, herbs or other botanicals, amino acids, and other substances. I hope you are getting quality knowledge of nutrition. Please drop your comments below telling me what you know or what you have just learned about nutrition. And if you are enjoying this video, please do not forget to like and share. Balanced diet. It is critical that nutrients in our body are available in sufficient amounts and in the right proportions. This can be achieved by eating a balanced diet. We must eat a variety of foods since different foods contain different nutrients in varying amounts. In stressing the importance of variety in our diet, Nutrition Australia encourages all Australians to ensure that their daily diet includes 30 individual foods. This may appear impossible at first thought, but in reality can easily be attained by eating typical diets based on carefully selected foods. Food selection based on the healthy eating pyramid can assist you in planning your meals for a balanced and healthy diet. A healthy diet consists mainly of plant foods, example, fruits and vegetables, potatoes, cereals, etc., and moderate amounts of animal products, example, milk, fish, lean red meat, and poultry. Fats and oils should normally provide less than 30% of our energy and less than 10% of this should be saturated fat. Lean red meat, poultry and fish, eggs and dairy foods are rich sources of animal protein. Dairy foods, apart from supplying quality protein, are good sources of calcium. Healthy eating pyramid. The food pyramid is a simple practical guide to selecting varied foods for meals. The Australian Nutrition Foundation Inc. has developed its own food pyramid. The rationale behind the food pyramid emphasizes the need to include generous amounts of plant-based foods, that is, cereals, legumes, fruits and vegetables, and moderate amounts of animal products, for example, meat, fish, milk, eggs in our diet. Furthermore, our diet should contain only small amounts of energy-dense foods, example, sugar, fats, and oils. The base of the pyramid, plant-based foods, is broad, and the top, animal products, is narrow. Eating according to the structure of the food pyramid ensures we consume a healthy diet. With care, the food pyramid can also assist vegetarians and vegans to consume a nutritionally balanced diet, although some people will require dietary supplements. For example, vegans will require vitamin B12. Summary: Nutrition is the study of food and how it affects the body. People need to consume a varied diet to obtain a wide range of nutrients. Some people choose to follow a specific diet in which they focus on certain foods and avoid others. People who do this may need to plan carefully to ensure they obtain all the necessary vitamins to maintain their health. A diet that is rich in plant-based foods and that limits added animal fats, processed foods, and added sugar and salt is most likely to benefit a person's health. Thank you for watching our video that explains everything you need to know about nutrition. I hope you learned a lot. If this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and watch the other videos on our playlist.